Alright. Yeah, roll.
Welcome to Timeline Radio Sports. I'm your host Sipho Khatebe. Ngiphethe i-host yami enkulu la uDumsane umfoka Khumalo. Demon.
Bungani?
After a long time my brother.
Unyaka nomusha.
Sure mfethu. Ukrend.
Mnandi Thama.
Oh, I know. Ngiyajabula ukubona ukrend mfethu. Lot of South African awekho grand mfethu, especially after Sunday. And then ngiyakwazi ukuthi hayi Sunday uyithanda kabi.
Oh, I know. Hey, as in mfethu asiqale ngento ezi-right sibingelele ama-viewers. No Ghost. Hi Ghost.
Hi, ninjani?
Siyaphila.
Ngiyaphila nombe nami happy. Yeah, ingiphethe kahle this thing ye-AFCON.
Hibo.
Yeah.
Bengithi ngiwa.
Yazi mina sezongiphatha kabi ke at least oppose kwabo.
All right.
Yeah, and then also yabona simxoshile lo Ghost lo yawo qala yoza ivoice ngathi seyi
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, bafethu. No, script ama-viewer bafethu after isikhathi eside i-timeline ibuyile. Bebathi bayangixosha bahlulekile. Without me angeke kwenzeke next.
Yeah.
Bungani? Ibhola mfethu.
Ayish ndoda. Yeah, I think akukho la masiqale khona iAFCON. So sizocela nje usisi wethu namhlanje kube uyosiguidayo.
Okay, so namhlanje like every day sinama topic interesting, right? So njengoba sonke sazi ukuthi siphezu kwe-AFCON.
Yeah.
So kuma sizo recap kancane, you know. So just to review i-AFCON and how i-performance yabafana bafana, right? Then sizokhuluma futhi about the backing of the fans from the South African side.
Yeah.
People are divided about support abayitholile from the Kaizer Chiefs fans. So nalapho sithinta kancane. Then we move on to what has been the topic after the AFCON, which is the attraction of Tebogo Mokoena and Orile Mofokeng by different clubs and different coaches. So sizokhuluma ngalokho today. But I would love to start ngendaba ye-AFCON. Ne? That will be our first topic. So I want you guys ukuthi nje sikhuluma about the review, more especially masingaqala about the group stage review. Ukuthi like Nina, how do you rate like nimbone kanjani the performance of the group stage? Yeah, AFCON.
Yeah.
A lot of things happened. We had about Mosala, we had penalties, we had tackles, we had VAR.
Ayish.
So nje a lot was happening.
Yeah, ayish. No mangathi nje mina ngiyaqala first game ibafana bafana neAngola. The performance was not good even though ama-results bewakhona. So ngiqala ukuyidawutha lapho ibafana bafana. But then I thought ithi ngibapha i-chance ngibona amanye ama-game yabo. So egame in Egypt ngibone different attitude. But into engibhorile ukuthi why nge-Egypt baphakamisa kanje, because I was expecting the same performance nange-Angola. Ama-team afana nabo Angola nabo Malawi mele mas wina iscore sibe convincing. Ngi-expect abo 3-0 4-1 yabo. So egame in Egypt I don't have complaints. Performance was good. Unfortunately ama-results bewangekho right. I won't complain nge-VAR. I'm a South African, corruption ngijwayele for 30 years. So angibona abantu ukuthi bakakhala. Yabo, at the end of the day VAR control umuntu nayo, yabo. Yeah, then last game igame ebengisho ngayo ukuthi ibafana bafana is going nowhere. Even though bawinile badle iZimbabwe 3-2.
Okay.
I was so sure and I even posted. I think abantu aba social media amabonile bangibhala ukuthi ngicela ukungasho kodwa ngibhale nje ukuthi bafana yindawo.
So ne social media.
Mina ngikhona ku social media.
Ukuphi?
Ngiku WhatsApp nezinye nje eziningi.
Ngagcina ungekho. Ngithi phela ngigcine uyishanga style.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, ne? Yazini mina kahle angithanda ukukhuluma ngebafana. Like honestly, it has been years, not now, not Hugo Bros or anything, but I don't like talking about bafana due to I'm not convinced. I've never been convinced about Bafana from Dalale, but we AFCON. I think bazamile abafana yes inhliziyo zethu cishe zama zaphinde zama somehow but bafethu no igame ye-Egypt what I was disappointed ngayo ukuthi siloku sizokhulumana nento eyi-one ukuthi kunabantu like a team manager they need to be able to interpret into ezinjengama rules kahle kahle we-tournament. If tournament is coming, then we need to know ukuthi okay na i-tournament now ama-rules we-tournament. We saw things like ukuthiwa eBafana Bafana number 2 kwi-group because of angazi amagoal ayenzeni nanani. Those people should know those things even mangabe sezenzeka ukuthi kube yibo abaze explain aqala. Same applies to the handball thing like yase-Egypt. Ukuyabona ukuthi no the rules say this and that what. So every time makudlala iBafana kuba nama controversial ukuthi sizothola izinto ezintsha sesiqala saza ama rules amasha njalo. So mina yinto engidisappointa ngeBafana because of there are too much politics iBafana Bafana. Too much politics. And also ngithema ngithi ngiyabheka ukuthi okay road to final I was like okay even if they can survive in Cameroon I don't see them surviving like in Morocco.
Yeah.
Lewe bangeke bayi survive even if noma ngabe bawonile because obviously angazi kuhamba iBrown envelope nale phezulu ukuhambani but kuna something ehambayo and for nangenyuko uthi I don't think ukuthi like yona isafa or iFIFA or whoever bekazovuma ukuthi iMorocco iphume due to support and everything.
Yeah.
So it wasn't going to be fair. But for me now there is nothing much I can say about Bafana Bafana.
Yeah, and in closing, I think endabeni performance, even if unga-checker the last 2-3 games wama World Cup qualifiers, you could tell ukuthi performance iyaqala iyadropa manje. Yabo. So baye ku-AFCON nje bangasekho right. I-performance yabo bengekho right. Then ngoba nalesi thing yokuselecta kwama-player. Kuna something engingayazi and ngicela ukuyibuza team ningi-understandise yona because maybe mina ngiyazi ngendlela yami. Bengazi ukuthi i-player ukuze baliselect ku-national team basiselecta because of i-performance. But kunama-player selectiwe kuBafana Bafana ekuthi i-performance yawo ayikho right. For example futhi ngifuna ukuyikhuluma le for ama-fans we-Chiefs. Kunama-goalkeeper abayi-3 kuBafana Bafana uRicardo Goss weSwelele uSipho China Orlando Pirates, then uRonan Williams number 1 goalkeeper wethu. Number 1 goalkeeper, no questions. Number 2, Usipo China, of which i-performance yakhe lately bengekho right for Orlando Pirates. Even though beba win ama games, but i-performance yakhe alone bengekho right. Ricardo Goss, West. So Brandon Peterson we-Kaizer Chiefs onama clean sheet ukudlula bonke abo goalkeeper. How come angaselectwanga? My question is, kusaselectwa nge-performance ye-player or kuselectwa ngenye indlela? Angazi mhlambe ningangilayitisa lapho.
No, I think selection it is based on the performance and also nanokuthi lelo player lelo lizofita na like kwinto yabo ku-system at the end of the day yabo. So for mina in terms of ukukhulumela selection it's something else because ngizenga question at this thing ngathi you cannot say ukuthi uya nge-performance ye-team while ulandi player ama-player maybe team yakhona kuma number 15 number 16 number 14 while enye team kwi-top 3 but uthi akunama-player a-qualify ukuthi angadlala kwiBafana Bafana. But ke angeke ngidwele kuyo because there was a time where uPitso Mosimane was taking something like 9 to 10 players from Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, so like iya ngo-coach ukuthi yena ufunani ufilani. Mina nje I'm just not a fan kaHugo Bros. I'm just not nade way yenza izinto ngakhona angihambisani nje father figure yakhe ubaba nje odayile yabo. So angihambisani naye. So but in terms of his selection I think kuya ngokuthi ucoach ubona nakho at the end of the day angeke uzothatha abo Mfukeng abayi-10 okay yabo. So taking Mfukeng nomunye while ukuthi ufuna Mfukeng oyi-1 and then uzothatha elinye player mhlawumbe ufuna lifunde kulomuntu lo like mangabanga let's say mhlambe uRonwen bekangekho available at all mhlambe bebangamlanda lo muntu lo wena umfunayo ukuthi okay we know ukuthi that one good we know ukuthi that one unama clean sheet and mhlawumbe bebangamthatha or kwenza ukuthi akana ne-experience eBafana Bafana that person yabo angaphenika naye uRonwen uke wafika washawa 5 eBrazil yabo ngenkathi zabo itumele nkhuni. So it depends ukuthi ucoach ubonani ucabangani ngaloso sikhathi leso. Sales Ghost.
Okay, Mina, I think now because I think each and every coach in the philosophy, so yes, we might be angry or seeing an understanding when it comes to selection, but mangabe ubuga amanyama game, they might not make sense to you. But the way i-coach ikhetha ukwa-attack-a ngakhona or ukungena kuma-match ngakhona, sometimes uyawina, sometimes usekanelakhi, sometimes performance yakhe ayikho right.
Yeah.
Mina based on i-selection, I'm just happy that simnikeze, you know, like i-right yokuthi akaselect yena the way
Uyafuna
selector
ngakhona, yeah.
ngakhona, yeah. Una wonke umshini, so akawusebenzise yena, then wafeyila yena. So we last year, I think is safe. The only person ekumele simbuze ukuthi who you had everything but you selected labo cabanga ukuthi. And I also agree with the point leyo ukuthi sometimes ungathola ukuthi some of the players ababathathanga because of the experience. I think there was this one analyst there, a sport analyst, bekakhuluma about ukuthi iyadingeka experience. Bekakhuluma about abohrobla ukuthi bekumele ngabakhona. Yeah, when you look manje njengoba siziwe, you can tell ukuthi okay, some of the players they do have influence kulaba bangazi next, because some of the players they don't know the atmosphere ye stadium you know, but the likes of Abotebo Homkwena, they know bake badlale Egypt, they know ukuthi Al Ahly mayigcwele what's happening, you know, how to handle a crowd and stuff. So yeah, I think when it comes to selection singamyekela kancane uBruce because of either way yena bone ngakhona.
Hayi kodwa ngiyakhala ngoLodge.
Kodwa nakho and angeke ajabulise everyone at the end of the day. Yeah. Hayi yena uLodge ayi mfethu mina yaka Lodge futhi ke yona it's worse ba. It's worse.
But do you think bekazokwenza something?
Yeah. Yazi to show ukuthi uLodge bazwenza something.
Yeah.
Check i-striker set uLyle Foster.
Yeah.
The way we struggle ngakhona ukuhold amabhola, even though akore leyo 2 goals. And check ama minutes amancane adlalwe uMahopa. Mara ubheka change ayilethile and naleyo moya nyana nje teamini kuyabona.
Yeah.
So I think if besine play elifana noLodge khena abanye ngafuna ukuba mention kwamanje.
Okay.
Hayi bekuzobagcona.
Yeah, like serious.
Okay,
Yeah.
but Nigeda notices something when it comes to the style of playing regarding our coaches. And it's like you can tell, for example, right now we had more players from Orlando Pirates and before we had more players from the Sundowns. It was because of his style. Sagarulani, let's say, so that's why my players couldn't recognize it, because they were able to adapt to style Sagarulani.
Yeah.
Probably the style is how whoever or coach is it Wydad Casablanca?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, whoever or coach at that side probably assist style Bruce asibonasi right for him. That's why abona ngathi abolochi so abekho right. Same applies to Abo Krobla. Mina I think naye if bekakhona.
Okay, I know, I doubt, but allegedly uLodge uphume because beka questiona some of like training sessions. Okay, because uLodge was there eqaleni and alogo adlala la bekadlala khona. So I think with the experience uLodge can be able to adjust to anything. And the other thing ukuthi udlalile ku Pirates, udlalile ku Sundowns. So the teams are dominator iBafana currently. So it was going to be easy ukuthi mangabe kunkocha kumfukeng uLodge uApolice naye uyafika, so wenza similar things sebeziloko zenziwa like those 2 young boys. So I mean I doubt ukuthi it was based on a style of play or a philosophy. I think it was based on which you want to prove which winner you can be, like you bigger than like the player or something like that, and of which it does not work like that.
Okay, so so far, okay, so let's come about the group stages and get.
Yeah.
So is there anything you want to highlight maybe in terms of our failure when it comes to defense here too? Because I think that's where everything started.
Yeah.
Our defense line or our the tackling, the finishing, we couldn't finish whatever chances as far to like what can you say about that?
Yeah, ne. I think le izosixabanisa nabantu abasupport uHugo Bros.
Okay.
Because one, substitution yakhe beyiphuma.
Yeah.
Go wonke ama games. Even nala awine khona. 2, it's like i-tournament mayiqala ila bekafuna khona i-combination, which is wrong. Because you could tell from defense, Umbogazi no Ngezana, something was not working lapaya. Yeah, but at some point, you'd feel like Umbogazi umakai one, Ngezana you absent. Yeah, and the bayam Peter makai one lo. At some point, you feel like Ngezana ngathi uyo sebenzana, uyaheader wenzana yabo, Umbogazi absent nje.
Yeah.
So ngibone ingekho leya combination right for i-defense yethu, yabo. And the other thing engihlala ngine problem ngayo ngama coaches, i-formation. this thing yabo 4-3-3 ay ngiyibona ingasebenzi because you can't have ama defender ay3
Yeah.
expecting ukuyomaka le attacking force abanayo abantu. When you check igame e-Egypt kuno Trezeguet kuno Salah kuno Mamush, then you have 3 defenders of which when you thinking you have 5 because laba bazokumakela. But if you can check David Trezeguet no Mamush bane pace cancel these 2 additional defenders zakho ozibeke lapha ku4 as counter as 4 midfielders eziza emuva only if back attack yabo. So for me nje beyi risk nje le nto leya, so i combination bengekho ku defense.
Okay.
In the middle angikhali kakhulu because amabhola i-trackers ethi supply bezithola nje ile nto bengikhala ngayo ngithi uFoster beka struggle too much konke ama games nakulawa kore kuwo uqale wa struggle before akora.
Yeah.
Yabo. So I think nje coach wethu hayi usidlisile nje kuloko, and if that's the same mentality as approach ngayi World Cup we won't even make it
Out of the group.
Out of the group angeke. Hayi ngeke shame.
I don't think ukuthi kunenye strategy angaza naso anyway. So i-World Cup kumele sihle sikhohle na. It's like that. If Samba no pros. Like honestly, I'm being honest. There is no way South Africa will compete against Abo Mexico, Abo whoever other like European team or South American. There is no way. Ngale attitude le badlala ngayo currently. Because in terms of information ya change. One thing about information, it can be 3-4-3, it can be 4-4-2, it can be 5 something. Ya change depending ukuthi the team is kanjani. Automatically mangabe kunabantu abayi3 abaza pace, then that means kuzomele ku drop umuntu oyi1 like from a middle lane. Always it will always be like that. So izohlala change information. I controller ukuthi le nenye team idlala kanjani or ukuthi wena udlala kanjani and then ucomfortable kangakanani yabo. So mina for mina in terms of ukuthi ufaka usebenzisa ama wing back sama midfielders or in I feel futhi ukuthi it's even better that way because una 3 central and then una ma wing back ayi2 then ayakwazi ukuthi abuye futhi azonto if by express yabo. So information there is nothing wrong with it. It's just ukuthi na sometimes ukuthi personal oyisebenzisayo like the people that we are choosing attitude and everything yabo. Currently abantu bazothi umbokazi after the Durban thing nan of which I feel mina ukuthi coach was wrong ukuthi aye ku social media and akhulume ngendlela akhulume ngayo ke wabo. So coach was supposed ukuthi athathe umfana omncane ambeke phansi akhulume naye kahle ukuthi okay boy you know what la wenze a mistake you shouldn't be big-headed or something like that. But his selection yakhe I don't see anything wrong neBafana Bafana. Like honestly there is nothing wrong whether Kaizer Chiefs players are there or they are not there. There was nothing wrong neBafana Bafana. Charles Gucci neBafana Bafana was not good enough. They were not good enough.
So you're not blaming the coach?
No, okay. I'm not blaming the coach because at the end of the day, coach will always qualify or by Salapayan. If bebathi mhlambe ba qualifying as someone else and then lo muntu bese mabaqeda balanda yena bese kwaba ukuthi coach uyasidlisa, then I will blame coach. One thing akhona I always complain ngonto mina ngalomkhulu wenu lo Danny Jordan. A problem in South Africa ukuthi we think ukuthi khona abantu aba superior over us. We have abo Benny McCarthy, we have abo Eric Tintler, we have baningi abo coach who are like actually South Africans or Africans who can do better, but we wanna go out there silanda abantu abangazi next ngebhola lethu. Lo muntu lona ukulandele iplayer usenza lento lebasenza yona 98 balanda abantu PAs iplayer singalazi lingakazi aligazi alazi nanokuthi umbila mawutshaliwe unjani eSouth Africa lizodlalela eSouth Africa lasidlisa. So it's the same thing ulanda ama Europeans. So I feel like with Mina, we need to start with see believe kuba coach whatever they can do like this thing because they've been there.
So don't you think because maybe there's no interest from those coaches who coach the national team?
There is
an interest.
There is an interest.
Okay.
Safa does not believe in them and they don't even want to pay them. But Patalabo Santana ma 2 million lana bahlula ukubhatala unto bobani uJomo bekafuna imali. They couldn't. Mara bakwazi kuyolanda abo Joel Santana Ruban Band bambhatala ma 2 million. It doesn't make sense. So Isafa ngamsebenzisa useless.
Ushilo. Okay, so in closing, do you think is there anything we can do to
Yeah.
Government like to the World Cup?
Get
We need
rid
to
of-
change a coach or the players or what?
change isafa, get rid of Tim Jordan. Bakhona bo Lucas Radebe. Like let's give them umsebenzi. Bakhona like did you see who Samuel Eto'o was there? Like and who is something. Tina, we don't have such. South Africa. We don't kumele ugogo wakho ayoshawa ibomb eCameroon ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthi uthole iposition kusapha. Uthini Jordan walidlala people. Bafethu come on.
Okay. So moving on to question to topic number 2. So one of the things is Phumelele, it's about the support of the Kaizer Chiefs fans and the Bafana support. So there was this thing in social media, if the Bafana win and then we say yaze yadlali Pirates, siyabonga Pirates, you know. And then if idliwa I mean, if we win, yes, other people but see South African, then the other people might hear but see Bafana. You know? We wanna take that thing with our players alap and manga beluza city sidliwe sonke. So what do you guys think ngalokho? Like, do you think it had an impact with the way sidlalenga khona ukuthi we don't have a full backing when it comes to our people or our fans back at home?
There's no such. There's no such. Second in is dlalibhola mawuhlulekile. One thing ekhona ukuthi okay umkhulu wethu lo yena lo coach uye lo uqale ngayo lento le uzothi hey team enjanjani ama player khona what deserve manani but ayikho lento lena yazi looking outside besides ku social media lezinto bezenzeka after igame seyidlalile but everyone beka support Bafana you will go to go meeting you will find everyone support Bafana my core celebrate everyone and then kuzoqala lo muntu oyiwana akhuluma whatever akhuluma ku social media and then I spread yenze in but there is no such a thing ukuthi sithi I demoralize ama player ukuthi adliwe there's no way I mean angikholwa le nto leyo
hey ne yazi ngizoba honest I'm one of the fans laba bebangekho right due to that statement. I remember I even celebrated their loss against Egypt. Then I posted yazi yadliwe iMamelodi Pirates and akukho labazoya khona because the way ama fans bewenza ngakhona besebakhuluma ngathi like the team is untouchable ukuyabona like yeah iPirates performayo elikini akusile Pirates edlala lapha ya mawunga check ubafana yabo so inhliziyo yami beyifuna ukuthi kuproveke leyo point ukuthi akusinde eyiwani le yabo so mina angeke ngiqamba amanga iBafana bengiyibukela but not 100% ukuthi bengiyisupport. Yeah, because bengiba happy makwenzakala into ezinegative yabo so that is why yazi support yami on nalama fans lawa amanye we Chiefs bengana impact ku performance yabo but that division yona beyikhona kahle my point is that ukuthi whatever division ebeyikhona kuma fans ivele be exist but bengana impact towards the performance ye team badliwe labo ungababuyisela manje iBafana angeke iwin AFCON le beyidlala never shame
yona ngeke iwin hence I'm saying mina division it's out there after khona manje someone ubhale ku Facebook wathi ama player akore for South Africa it's former and current Pirates players phela abakorile so obviously expect ukuthi kora ama player one we Kaizer Chiefs ayikho Kaizer Chiefs lapha akuna strikers esiwele lesilapha istrikers ePirates ebezilapho isiphi esinye striker besikhona bekumele kore bona vele ukuyabo so mina okay division whether it was there kuma fans or bengekho performance ama player ground and then they were supposed to win these people if beba deserve so they were not deserving.
But can I ask something? Like looking at the Morocco Maizal, like Migenda notice the vibe lapaya. Like don't you think Nati our boys babanga ijablendenjal? For example, we have this thing ukuthi Pirates manga big players will come and sing nama fans up, you know? Even when they play they're like we're doing it for our fans, you understand? They have it backing. As much as ngasama fan adlali bola, but when you know ukuthi uputa mokon, you know, there's that supporting and don't you think they deserve such because even when you look mangabe beyidlalela nje ama-friendly around like we don't go noma bangathi amathikithi 20 rand we don't go.
Uyichazile uBhungane wathi i-corruption uyijwayele for the past 30 years. South Africa has been like that always. It's something that we spoke about. I think kuma previous episodes ukuthi thina we don't invest much into like ibhola lethu nayo yonke lento le. Yabona in terms of ama-fans mawuse stadium whether i-fans like Kaizer Chiefs or Landlani if abafana bebaya bayocula nabo bazocula nabo. Into eyenzeka le those people are investing ukuthi stadium zigcwale kwenzakaleni. We saw one thing umtsipe bekanokuyenza lana ngeSundowns athi mawugqoka iskipa esiyelo ungena mahalo ke wabona. So yenzani igcwalisa stadium. Whether you are a Sundowns fan or you are not a Sundowns fan, but then uzoya ngeskipa esiyelo so that ukuthi uyogcwalisa mase kuculwa lapha yana atmosphere yase stadium izok-attracta nawe uzogcina ucula lapha kuba mnandi ke wabona. So I doubt ukuthi le nto leyo got to do with ama fans, it got to do with the system yase South Africa. The system yase South Africa is rotten, corruption left, right and center. So if they've invested into like motivating fans to come to a stadium, but motivate my fans are support. Like we were speaking about the Kaizer Chiefs, which is the biggest team. Idlala udodi yadliwa, but still it's the biggest ngama numbers.
Okay, I think it's ngere right because VLNG politics nebola. I say it.
Yeah.
So moving on, I think during the AFCON, as much as it's Kumilene, but we saw other coaches having an interest in some of the players that we have. So the first one, it was Uri Lemfukeng. So Rulani Ukulmile, we media briefing last about the interest when it comes to Uri Lemfukeng. So I want to know from you guys, do you think we're ready for such league, you know, moving to such league, the league number, is it league number 1? That one, yes, Algeria. Leo Rulana, do you think it's a good move for Yena since we all been saying, Guti, now it's time.
Hey, tough one.
I was the one who said, Urila geko ready to move nge first season yake. I said akekho ready. I need Urili ukuthi adlale a second season as prove asinike le nto yabo Thembazwane le nto yabo Tekumdise ukubona ukuthi it was not a one season wonder yabo Simphiwe Shabalala. So unfortunately wahamba ucoach one of the best coach ebekanaye ubani lo awado wafika uzenzela umkhulu wakhe shemlo yababa leyana uthatha urile blame ama injury manje but mina currently I feel ukuthi I think uRulani angakwazi ukumrevive uRilebhile akwazi ukuthi abuyele futhi abeyile la player la because so far angakamboni lo Yamfukeng lo engimaziyo lo. Yes, I'm since ngiyicritic yakamfukeng not because of akalazi ibhola or something but because of I feel ukuthi angayenza better yabo. So but I think uRulani can do better. Yeah, already angahamba.
Yes, interest, but he wants to go to Europe. Any African league. So that's the debate right now. Parents, they are willing to let him go, but so that's the reason why he's still parents.
Don't you? Mina personally, I don't think Buturila Gafunuya like Africa or Bopine. I think indlela abantu like whatever abamfite yon. You know those things when like as if it is ever we are lapaya. Forgetting Guti maybe I match that standard. Yabo. For me, I think yes, Yananga, but now I didn't want to. I agree that league. Rulani might be the right coach for Yena. But I only think Ugutuzoyalapaya because of the money. Maybe the money might be better. But when it comes to growth, I'm not sure. But one thing in Gibonil is that the club is still in CAF and it's a Champions League, right? Yeah, so maybe even maybe even the king appearance in Amsisa when it comes to recognition to other clubs. But yeah.
Yazi, you mentioned something very important in a player, growth.
Yeah.
Right now, Urela gana growth go on the Pirates because uhlala sebenchini. So for me personally, I think it would be a wise move ukuthi ahambe, yabo? Ngeke ngasho kwamanye ama episodes saba nawo ukuthi mina I'm jealous of South African players. Angifuni maba move thiwa baya abroad beze Africa. You even added wena abo UAE nabo abo Saudi Arabia yabo ukuthi I wish ama players wethu angaye France angaye Spain angaye England yabo lento zabo USA azingijabulisi man azingiphi leyana I don't feel like ngathi phela liya abroad yabo because of ileague mayincane siyakhohlwa nokho for mina I think it's a risky move but for Rick Road orele ngona hambe because ku Pirates kule season ngeke kuze kwenzeka.
Okay, so before Svala, what do you think with the move Gatebo? Just to touch on Ngangan with Naye, like he's being spotted by the King Egyptians giants, you know, the Oxlab. So do you think that it might be the right move for him? Just in closing, because he's one of the players now.
Yeah, I think so because I feel like Sandown sekayenze yonke into. Yabo. So more umuntu kumele uzichallenge yabo.
Yeah.
Uhambe new environment, new challenges le North Africa ubone ukuthi uyakhona na. And I think if ama chances ukuthi aye kulama league ngikhuluma ngawo abangcono nyano yabo. So
plus age wise uTebogo no really abantu so at least uTebogo can go. And also mina I feel like ukuthi ama North Africans man baphana ngale yanto leyana ba philosophy yabibhola labo li more advanced than like le South Africa manje ibhola le South Africa seliye like down the trend rather than ukuthi linyuke.
Yeah.
So it's a good move.
So you don't see anything wrong with
I don't see anything wrong with it. Age wise like ilika yakuyo itima yakuyo ngibona ukuthi uya drop.
Okay. So in closing guys ngifuna nje sikhulume based about the dominance when it comes to the style Sigarulan. Do you think we really like right because of you need to know what Rulan is dominating that side. We need with the king LC Alger is number 1. Like he's good when it comes to the dominance. Do you think he's like spot on Urile when it comes to that? Because he's number 1 really gap. We saw the same thing with Sundowns as well. He was number 1 as well. For the longest time, 53 games unbeaten and stuff. That's why he's one of my players also. So do you think it might be for your dominance, it might benefit you really in a way?
Yeah, it's on benefit. I think it's good more dlala no coach who understand that. If dlala no coach who understand that, it's much better. Yeah. And then ukwazi ukuthi akunikeze really enjoy free role. So lento leyo ukuthi manje kumele umlimite wenzeni then it's a problem. But then if uthola uRulani uzokwazi ukuthi amnikeze that free role then akwazi ukuthi azidlalela yenze like lezinto lezi like vele adume ngazo. So for me na and also uya kwi team ukuthi vele it's doing great. Like umfukeng uya excel if the team is doing great.
I mean for me I think the only risk it's when a player iya eteamini la kuno coach ongamazi khona.
Yeah.
Like ungaperforma kahle la South Africa then bathi hey alakhile yamfuna then you run bofika lapha ya uthola ucoach Ahmed Mohamed akakuvuni yabo so kuba i problem manjalo so for really no Rulani I think
I so wish to see God Kubega but because of time we can't.
Singa try paban.
Yeah, so thank you guys. It was nice doing the show with you.
No. I know siyabonga ku Ghost. Sibonge na ku Ghost umdala ahambe angabuyi. No Asia guys to kuma fans bathina ama viewers siyabonga bafethu. I-timeline loku kusasekhona sibuyile asiqhubekeni subscribe yeni silikeni siwashereni sitsheleni futhi nemindeni yethu bafethu singakhohlwa besine task angithi ukuthi utshela oyi1 thumela oyi1 ukuthi subscribe kanjalo siqhubeke then sizokwazi ukuthi sinyusene into and then also sibonge neZeus for ukuhosta guys brand new Zeus awufuna ukuzochila yazwakala igawu lemnandi yabona izinto zigrand yonke into igrand yonke into ikhona mfethu yabona so asibonge kungani
mfethu hayi awekho amaningi sengathi ama South African angaqhubeka abukele AFCON inhliziyo zingabe ibhlungu kakhulu hayi but for tonight bafethu no siyabonga
Siyabonga
we out.